Hi guys, today we bought this cotton candy maker. And the side it says sweet sugar candy fun. And on this side there is some flavors. I don't know what these flavors are. So this is some yellow and this is blue and this is some pink flavor. I only know these two, like blueberry and I'm sure this is strawberry.
Create your own carnivals.
Any flavor. It doesn't have to be any of these three flavors.
Hi. So we open this one,
I need to get the
and you see this is cotton candy machine. It looks very attractive. It's red, and of course that have one switch. So this is the 11 electric one. So you have to just there is one plug. You can just plug it over there. That's all. And there is one interesting part. This is the one more rotating one, and this part is the one you have to make sure this it already the road danger hot, so you have to make sure that you don't touch it again and again. Okay, so here if you see in the back side there is one socket, and you just, if you see, this is the one small rod, and they just plug it like that. So make sure that you plug it right, and here you show. So it gone, it plugged now. So you have to make sure that this is also one of. Okay, so here now you see this is the slots they make it. So if you rotate it like this way, this way is open. I think this is the one closed, but just this is just brand new. So what we just did it, you have to make sure that you wash it, because you never know, right, what they did it before. So it's always just to be hygienic, just to wash it. And this is the one top cover. So now this is ready. Okay, now let's see what type of candies we can use it. So let's figure it out, the candies.
We're using Jolly Ranchers. We don't have.
So you can use any of the candy, but
we're using Jolly Ranchers hard
so thus is
candies.
telling you.
Jolly Ranchers hard candies. These are with lemon, peach, strawberry, pineapple, and orange.
Good. So we'll try one of these. I believe the kids are going to love this.
I'm going to just take.
So now we will just turn on and let's see. Once it get hot,
We
then
can
we'll
plug
make it.
yet. Let's plug it first, then we can turn it on. Where's the plug? Oh. We plugged it on and now you can see this candy mixer. Already, here is its switch. But now we can heat it up. Let it move. It's running. Now we just have to wait for 2 or 3 minutes.
Now let's wait just 3 minutes. So it's
So it will be
so
warmed
it's
up.
spinning now, and will you see
Can
the
I quickly
heater
get this candy?
heater
And
rod?
then get another one. You
And
get another one.
meanwhile, you see, Bobo is enjoying. Bobo, how did you like it? The cotton candy? You liked it?
Get five down.
Huh?
Get five down. Because the chicks in the put the
He says it's not falling down because sticks are holding it.
is it the wacky castle?
Good job. Okay. So let's see.
Hello.
Okay. Now you can see it started heating up. Rod.
You can see
now you
the-
can see it's becoming little red.
Those
Be
are-
careful, okay? Because of course electric and it's heating, so you don't have to touch the upper part.
You don't want to. Mama. If you are doing this.
So you see, right? I think it's almost heated now. Make sure that it is spinning. So if you put as of now candy, it may rotate and it may hit to anybody.
Make
So
sure it's
you
not spinning.
make sure it's not spinning, just like the store, and just stop it. Once it completely stopped and heated, that is the right time actually to put the candy. So see, now she put the candy. Okay, Now we'll turn on the switch
And get your cone.
and get your phone ready. So now get ready. See. Wow, it started making. It started making candy. Wow. Woohoo. Woohoo. Yes. This one. Wow. Wow.
It might get messy, but this one is not.
It's up to you how you roll it. See, she's doing great job. क्या बात है गुरु. Wow, so attractive. पूरा स्कूल टाइम का याद आ गया एकदम.
When you get one that guy
School
comes.
time, right? You just get those.
No,
ones.
remember you told me that there's some guy who comes, sells some summer fruits during the summer.
Yeah. Wow. So just keep rolling, and you can make it whatever shape you want. I think she chose just
Simple
around
rolls.
simple rolls. Wow. Woohoo. This is
Lemon flavor, I'm sure.
lemon flavor, and its candy is ready.
Let me try it, please. Okay.
Wow.
Let's
Wow.
try pizza.
So let's give it to Bobo. Bobo, you want to
No,
try
no,
it?
no, no, no.
Ah, okay, Bobo already finished it, so we'll give it to Dars. How it like it? Wow.
It tastes really good.
Come. Wow. So now it's again Bobo turn. Bobo already had pink one, and Dars is having lemon one. And now next term is mango one. But guys, to be honest, I think it's worth buying it if you really like. It's very economy one, and it's nice actually. It's like kids may love it. They really love it. So
Mama.
so there's anything else to say? Come.
Well, it might be fun to make cotton candy. It's always fun. And keep learning. And bye.
And keep enjoying. Bye. Thank you.